Hello friends. Now the next topic for the lesson 1 World Wide Web is Internet and Internet addresses. Afterward we will discuss about cloud computing. Cloud computing. Computers. Now, Internet is discussed in the last session, whereas simply we can say Internet is the network of networks. Means Internet is a big network of small networks like this. So we have not to discuss much about the internet. It was over in the last session. We will discuss about the internet address. There are different internet addresses, simply we can say they are URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Actually the internet address is formed using two parts. The first part is called protocol and the second part is called URL name. See here, it is HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol :// then www World Wide Web type. Google is the name .com. Com is the type of domain. Means what type of this URL? It is of commercial type. Because of commercial type, it is finishing with .com. In the same way, the URLs can be of the type education. Sometimes it is .edu. It is Indian. So in the last somewhere it come .in, somewhere it come org, organization, sometime it is .org, sometime if the websites are from United Kingdom, so it finishes with .uk and so on. There are the different domains names, there are different domains are possible. So it was a formation of internet address. First part is protocol, another is name called URL part, which is having the further three parts. It is www dot, then name and then type of domain. So it was a total discussion about the internet and internet addresses. Afterward comes cloud computing. What is this cloud computing? In the cloud computing, we can understand an example. Suppose you are having your phone and you have a lot of data in it. After a time you want to change your phone. If you want to change your phone, so you are threatened that your data will be lost. So what will you do to save your data? You will take a backup somewhere in the external device like hard disk or in the pen drive or in your memory card. Otherwise, you can take all your data to the drive, Google Drive. So what happens when you will take it to the drive? When you will take it to the drive, bring your phone with the factory setting and you will sold out, you will purchase a new phone. And simply you will sign in on the Gmail with the same email which was in your last phone. So then all your information which you have stored on the Google, all your settings which you have stored on the drive, you can recall again in the new phone. So where did you keep all your information? where did you given your all information on the Google Drive. So that space wherever you are placing your material, your information, your data on internet, and afterward as you are requiring and you are getting it back, that place is called actually cloud computing. Means your data is sent in the cloud through your computer. Simply we can understand in this way, cloud computing, your data will be saved somewhere you have saved, and if it is required you can take it again back as per your requirement. So there are different type of cloud computing. The first is public, second is private, and third is hybrid. The first type of computing is public. All the information is stored, anybody can access. Either you stored or somebody other stored on the cloud. Anybody can share it, anybody can access it. Then come private. I only stored in such a way that I or my company or few particular organization have permit to access that information, that is called a private type. And then come hybrid. Hybrid is the combination of public and private. Means thousands of information are stored on the cloud. Out of 1300 for public, 700 for private authentication. So that is called the example of hybrid computing, and hybrid is a combination of public and private. Thank you.